In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add birthdays in Ticktick, a popular task management app. Keeping track of important birthdays can make sure you never miss a special day, and Ticktick makes it easy to stay on top of these dates with its handy countdown feature. Let's dive right in and learn how to enable this feature and add birthdays in Ticktick. To begin with, it's important to make sure that you have the countdown feature enabled in your Ticktick app. If you haven't done this yet, I'll show you how on both the mobile app and the desktop or web app. Let's start with the mobile app. Open the app and go to Settings. You'll find an option labeled Tab Bar. Tap on this and you'll notice a list of features. Locate the countdown option and simply tap on the plus icon next to it. Once you've completed this step, you'll see Countdown appear on your bottom navigation bar, ready to be used. For those using the desktop or web version of Ticktick, start by clicking on your profile avatar. From there, head over to Settings and look for the Features section. Within Features, find Countdown and enable it. This will add the Countdown tab to your sidebar, so it's easily accessible. Now that we've enabled the Countdown feature, it's time to add a birthday. First, navigate to the new Countdown tab in your Ticktick app. Once there, you'll see a plus icon, which you'll want to click to add a new countdown. When the prompt appears, you'll start by entering the person's name or a label for the birthday, such as Mom's birthday or John's B-Day. This helps in identifying each birthday at a glance. Next, select the category, which, in this case, will be Birthday. You'll then need to set the date by selecting the individual's date of birth. If you're interested only in celebrating the day and month rather than tracking the exact age, Ticktick provides an option to ignore year, a useful feature if keeping track of the birth year isn't necessary for your needs. Birthdays are set to repeat annually by default in Ticktick, so once you set it up, you can rest assured that it will remind you every year. Don't forget to set a reminder notification in advance, like a week before the birthday, to give yourself enough time to prepare or buy a gift. If you wish to display the person's current age on the countdown card, simply enable the Show Age toggle. Finally, remember to save your settings. The birthday will now appear in your countdown list and can be set to show on your main calendar view for easy reference. And that's it. With these simple steps, you'll ensure you never miss a birthday again, keeping your loved ones always within arm's reach. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more of our videos for helpful tips and tricks.